Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Dashpass subscription. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your 1-year mark is coming up and you no longer use DoorDash. So either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to open up our DoorDash app, and then from this page here, you want to click on the Me icon located on the bottom right hand side. Now, once you click on the Me icon, you're going to appear on a page that looks like this. Click on the Settings tab, which is located between Orders and Profile, and then click on Manage Dashpass. And then from this blurred out page, on the bottom hand side, you're gonna see on Cancel Membership. So click on Cancel Membership. And so it's simply just gonna ask you to confirm that if you wanna go ahead and cancel your Dashpass. For my example, I do receive Dashpass from Chase Sapphire Reserve itself. And so with that, it's important that I actually keep Dashpass in order to actually get the benefits from Chase Sapphire Reserve. And if you haven't signed up for Chase Sapphire Reserve just yet, you can actually go ahead and use my link down below in order to get the Chase Sapphire Reserve with 100K bonus points potential. So with that being said guys, from here you would just click on Continue to Cancel, which is the bottom button. And then once you click on that, it should cancel your Dashpass. So this right here is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and get your Dashpass canceled. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.